Freiberg Cathedral is very plain from the outside, but a real treasure trove from the inside, where you find exceptional works of art like the tulip pulpit and the Golden Gate. The choir of the church was the burial site of the Saxon royal family in the 16th and 17th century. The decorations are in the Mannerist style, a rarity north of the Alps, and they feature an orchestra of angels. When the choir was restored in the early years of the millennium, it was discovered that most of the instruments are real, while the others are faithfully designed mock-ups. A sensationalist find, since instruments from the 16th century hardly exist anymore. Replicas were created, and it is now possible to perform Renaissance music with an authentic sound again, thanks to Freiberg.